We have spent more than $2 billion on the greatest scientific gamble in history. It is an atomic bomb. It is a harnessing of the basic power of the universe and their communications. Let there be no mistake. We shall completely destroy Japan's power to make war.
Enola Gay, this is Command. You're clear for takeoff. Over. Copy that, Command. Commencing takeoff now. Over. Command, this is Enola Gay. We are approaching the initial point. Over. Roger, Enola Gay. Confirm weather conditions and visibility over Hiroshima. Over. Weather is clear and visibility is excellent, Command. Wind speed and altitude is within acceptable parameters for bomb release. Over. Confirm payload status, Enola Gay. Over. Little boy, secure and armed. Safety mechanisms have been disengaged. Over. Enola Gay to Command. We are currently at 31,000 feet. Adjusting course for final approach. Over. You are cleared to proceed, Enola Gay. We need to hit the Ioi bridge for maximum impact. What's the payload status? Over. Payload is ready for deployment. Maintaining speed and altitude for optimal drop trajectory. Over. Godspeed, Enola Gay. Command out. Enola Gay to Command. Bomb away. Roger that, Enola Gay. Begin post-release maneuvering protocol.
A short time ago, an American airplane dropped one bomb on Hiroshima. We have won. What has been done is the greatest achievement of organized science in history.
He knew the world would not be the same. Few people laughed. Few people cried. Most people were silent. Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
We should strive not to use violence in fighting for our cause, but by non-participation in anything you believe is evil.
This is Just In, ladies and gentlemen. President Truman just announced the first ever use of a new secret weapon, an atomic bomb of unparalleled strength. The bomb was deployed 16 hours ago and engulfed Hiroshima in a mushroom of fire. Japanese officials have confirmed the immediate loss of over 78,000 lives following the blast, with the total number of casualties now exceeding 130,000. President Truman has called for Japan to surrender or expect a rain of ruin from the air, the like of which has never been seen on this earth.